Drivin Ivan here. Is my Porsche 914 weird or wonderful? Let's find out. Well, I believe this to be a Chalon body kit or some variant thereof. I'm not quite sure. You can see it's got flying buttresses in the back here. And, well, it's different. I'd kind of like to put a Golf livery on it. I think that would be pretty cool. But extended in the front. I call it the Superbird 911. And I'm wondering if you think it's weird or wonderful. Let me know in the comments. Have you smashed that like button yet? Now it's time to get in and drive. And when you do get into drive, you won't be greeted with the Formula One starting Porsche 911 historic key. It's right here on the right hand side, because this car is of course associated with Volkswagen. Sounds like a Volkswagen, doesn't it? The 1.7 liter just bouncing away back there. Sounds just like a Beetle for those that grew up with those cars. And a dog leg shift, just like the Porsche 928. Normal Porsche-like gauges hanging out in front. So let's put it in first and go for a drive. Front end of this car. You can see all the corners, and that's what's really kind of neat about it. You can see all the corners, see exactly where you are, and really just place the car anywhere you want it. And clipping apexes is all about what this car is about. Sounds great, doesn't it? I think so. Oh yeah. Ever since I saw this car, I had to have it. I like weird cars, and this one certainly is weird, right? Like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments, weird or wonderful. But to me, I've had a 944, I have a 928, an 82 911 Targa, and a Boxster, and a 996 911 for our 4 Cabriolet. So yeah, I've got my fair share of Porsches and I love them, but I like weird cars too. Many weird cars in my collection. Just search what does Drivin Ivan drive. But I'm happy to add this to my collection. Check out all my car videos. Let me know what you think, weird or wonderful, and please do smash that like button and follow me on TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan, Drivin Ivan Cats here on YouTube and also Instagram. And thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.